Hello and welcome to 1945 Washington. This is a condominium with an amazing lobby. You can take the stairs or the elevators up to the 5th floor. The building has a gym for all the occupants and also a rooftop deck with amazing views. Okay, so here we are. We're going to be touring Unit 508. You walk into this nice space here. You have private stackable laundry machines in the unit. Here is a full bathroom, bathtub and shower combination. Good sized shower head. And here is the coat closet. There is the first bedroom here. Nice big closets, good amounts of natural light. And this closet is very spacious. It goes all the way back. Okay, so walking down the hall just a little bit, you have your kitchen to the right. Nice granite counters. You have a range, hood, stainless dishwasher, and refrigerator. There's lots of counter space and cabinet space. This kitchen is somewhat open to a nice dining area. Here is the second bathroom. There is a bathtub and shower combination, just like the first one. Okay, nice big bedroom here. There are double pane windows. This faces the street. Beautiful laminate wood floors, lots of plugs in this room. And here's the view from this front bedroom. Okay. Here is the dining room, and it is open to a nice big living room. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.